Hello guys and welcome to another new video of the home decor series. So Indian interior design, like everything else that is Indian, is steeped in a rich potpourri of culture. It is a style that comes down to us from our history with mixed influences, be it temple motif architecture from down south or the intricate carvings seen on Mughal monuments. Indian interior design draws heavily from all these sources. In the end, what we have is a style that is just as composite as our culture. But don't let the complexity and evolution of the Indian interior design style overwhelm you, as implementing these is simpler than you think. All you need to do is follow some pro tips that will add a desi vibe to your home. So let's dive straight into these tips, and also at the end there is a bonus tip for you. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Be generous with vibrant colors. Bright and varied colors are the hallmark of Indian interior design. While it's hugely tempting to go crazy with such a vast palette, too much color can create visual chaos. So opt for earthy tones like ochre yellows, rich browns, and burnt oranges for your walls and floors. You can use yellows and pinks on the fluorescent side of the spectrum, and startling blues and greens can be used for smaller elements such as pillowcases or chairs. You can also opt for a safe bi-color theme, like using a neutral shade as a base color and burst of a peppy primary colors for accent walls. Tip number 2. Nothing matches the elegance of solid wood furniture. Solid wood furniture is an important element in Indian interior design that reflects our colonial nostalgia. For an authentic look, make the most of stunning Indian craftsmanship and choose traditional pieces with curved armsets and legs, carvings and inlay work in metal or ivory. Get some ornate centerpieces and complement them with other more understated furniture. There's vast variety of distinctively Indian pieces to choose from, such as wooden chairs, footstools, jharokhas and bird cages. So here's tip number 3. Homes must have informal spaces for family gatherings. Indian homes also include versatile informal spaces that allow relaxed interaction. Create different levels of seating using high chairs, sofas, divans and footstools. Rugs and floor cushions lend warmth and comfort to decor and can be used liberally. Traditional Indian pieces such as a swing or jhula can bring a playful vibe to these spaces that allow families to come together. Tip number 4. Inlays and carvings. Traditional Indian cabinets are a great combination of functionality and aesthetics. Brightly painted and embellished with inlay work using mirrors, stones, ivory or metal, they can serve as storage units too. Use them as accents alongside solid wood pieces to lighten up the mood of your spaces. If you have heirloom furniture pieces, hold on to them and put them to good use. Tip number 5. Fill up the walls with folk art forms. They say that the flavor of food changes every 50 km in India, and the same rule applies to local art as well. Whether it is Wali paintings from Maharashtra or Madhubani art from Bihar, there is no end to the options you have. When we have such a wealth of traditional art forms, then why not put them to good use while doing home interiors? You can support local artists by having a statement wall painted by them, or pick up a wallpaper with these desi motifs. Tip number 6. The quintessential puja room must have place of honor. A place of worship within the house is a typical feature of Indian interior design. We usually do this in the form of altars or puja rooms. It is advisable to keep puja room designs as traditional as possible, so use either stone, marble or granite or wood. You can also check out our video on the latest designs of puja rooms. Tip number 7. Use fabrics with desi prints and patterns for soft furnishings. India is historically famous for its beautifully made fabrics. Moreover, these fabrics can be used in a number of creative ways in our homes, like long flowing drapes for windows, simple sheets thrown over a divan, to carpets and dharis. As a part of using Indian interior design, use fine fabrics with dabu or ikat prints for upholstering your centerpieces or for your cushions. Cotton and khadi can be used for side chairs, while simpler fabrics like jute can be used for smaller footstools. Tip number 8. Fill up nooks and niches with curios and knickknacks. Since India has a large and exciting variety of handicrafts, there are a ton of artifacts to choose from to decorate your home. Popular choices here include masks, clay pottery, diyas, leather puppets, crockery, decorative boxes in sandalwood, metal or marble. You can also use brass lamps and pots as functional metallic accents. And now it's the final one, that is the bonus tip, jazzing it up with jalis. The quintessential jali pattern is more than just a passing trend. In fact, it has survived and evolved over centuries because it is a great combination of form and function. You can use jalis in your home as partitions, doors, wall panels in puja rooms, furniture and ceiling designs. So this is it, and I hope that these tips help you to bring a desi touch to your homes. Thank you friends for watching this video right till the end, and please like and share this video and also subscribe to our channel for watching more such videos. Thank you and happy watching.